So one of those interesting stories that comes back to us is once in a while we have this client who's gonna reach out to us, ask about technical SEO, but then during a call or during like a face-to-face conversation, he's gonna ask us about, you know, some things we do to rank well, to get all the awards and everything. So quite a lot of people are looking for that secret sauce that's kind of black hat, that's this, I guess, hidden knowledge that we're not sharing, and they would be coming back to this topic every single time we talk, like during calls, during face-to-face meetings, conferences, and assuming that we have some kind of like link network that's very well hidden that we're using to get this result. So that's one of the things that comes to my mind that's coming back quite often. And there is a lot of those SEO urban legends where at every single conference there is like this one guy that's gonna tell you, okay, I'm ranking so well for everything with this amazing network, but he will never show you his websites, and it doesn't really seem like he's doing very well himself. So this is something that I always find extremely amusing, that there is, I guess, like in every single niche, in every single business, there is this conspiracy thing that's coming back, and that would be it for us, for technical SEOs.